Yan, maglilinis tayo ng light bulb. Cleaning light bulb today with the wet water and the Detex. But I really love this tree. Very lovely during the summer. It gives a vitamin in the eyes. Meaning, it's beautiful to see. You see now, what kind of tree is this? Very lovely tree. It's near the mountain top, the hotel of my madam. And they have the Tresaluni tree, you know.